Hello, I'm Ramon, and in this video I'm going to show you how easily it is to start up our new Intacs leader motor with the integrated drive. First of all, we connect it directly to the PC using a USB-C cable. We plug it into our Intacs as well as to our PC. After that, to power it up, we use a 24 voltage power supply. That's also directly connected to the Intacs. After the power up is done, the PC will recognize the Intacs and we can use our Explorer and type in run.webmotion to start up the web motion where we can control it. In the web motion, if everything seems green, we can use the quick start. From there on, some basic parameters will be checked so that we can turn on our Intacs directly. We can use the go button. Now you see the Intacs is starting after a few seconds of plugging it into our PC. From here on we can increase the way as well as the dynamic. And that's how easy you start up our new Intacs. Thank you very much.